Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we have something that will shake up the truck world. The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck. That's right, Caterpillar, the legendary name in heavy machinery, has stepped into the pickup market. And let me tell you, this beast is built to dominate. Just look at it. Massive stance, rugged styling, and that unmistakable Caterpillar DNA. This truck isn't just about looks. It's built for real work. With a reinforced steel frame and heavy-duty components, it's designed to take on the toughest terrains. The aggressive front grille, industrial-grade LED lights, and those beefy off-road tires scream durability. Under the hood, we've got a powerhouse, a 6.7L turbo diesel V8, pumping out a staggering 550 horsepower and 1,200 lb-ft of torque. This thing isn't just a truck, it's a towing monster. It can haul over 30,000 pounds, putting it right up there with the best heavy-duty pickups. Whether you're towing a trailer, a boat, or heavy equipment, the Caterpillar pickup is ready. And let's talk about its off-road capabilities. With adaptive suspension, locking differentials, and 37-inch all-terrain tires, it's built for any environment: mud, sand, snow, or rock crawling. Plus, the reinforced underbody skid plates ensure that rough terrain won't slow you down. Now, stepping inside, you might expect a basic work truck interior, but Caterpillar went all out here. The cabin is spacious and surprisingly luxurious. You get premium leather seats, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Plus, Caterpillar's Smart Work Assistant integrates with fleet management systems, GPS tracking, and even remote diagnostics. Tech-wise, it has autonomous driving assists, 360-degree cameras, and even drone surveillance for worksite monitoring. And yes, it includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for those long hauls. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Caterpillar pickup truck is a workhorse on steroids. It's not just another pickup, it's a heavy-duty machine designed for serious work. If you need brute strength with cutting-edge technology, this could be the ultimate work truck. But what do you think? Would you choose the Caterpillar pickup over a Ford Super Duty or a Ram HD? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next review. This is Honest Auto Wheels, signing off. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe.